Right, okay, this is my bike check for 2013, because I just built a new setup and you guys were asking me, so this is it. Right, so it's the Mutiny Rune frame in red, obviously, 21 inch. The dimensions are pretty similar to my other one, Mothership. So like 13.75 chainstay, and the other angles that I don't know. Got the United Nash cranks in 175, and then the spline drive sprocket. The what's it called?
Metro, I want to say.
Yeah. The Metro sprocket. That's spline drive, left-hand drive. Not that it matters because it's spline drive. An A-bike chain, bars, TTXL proppers. I think they're like 28.5 width. I used to ride 29s, so it felt a bit weird, but it's good for bar spins and shit. The wheels, the front one is, the hub is a Colt V2 female, and the rim is a Sputnik. FAF tyres, both the same size, 2.1 on both. Back wheel is a Sputnik cassette, I don't know what it's called, but it's probably their only one. Or not, I don't know. And Sputnik rim again. Federal seat, don't know what one.
It's just the standard one, isn't it?
Just the standard Federal.
It's what all the street demons ride. So.
Yeah, because I'm so street. Amity seat post. I didn't buy it, so I wouldn't normally run Amity. Forks, I don't actually know, because mine snapped like a year ago, and then Oscar just gave me a pair of forks. I'm pretty sure they're 20, like 20 Bikeco or whatever they're called. So don't hold me to that though. S&M Little Redneck stem, United headset, Primo bottom bracket. What else is there? Oh, Colt plastic pedals, the 20 quid ones. They're pretty sick. Grips, ODI long necks. Pegs, I got Butchers, the plastic ones. I just got them and they feel pretty good. You don't get stuck in ledges like you do with metal pegs, which is what happened to me the other day. Oh, hub guards. That's a Season hub guard, front hub guard. That rear one, don't know, it's metal. Yeah, it's pretty solid. If you haven't got spline drive yet, get it. There's just like no lag, there's no engagement time, just goes. So yeah, I got all the parts from Fluid BMX, which is shop in Monmouth. So I'm gonna plug them because they got me the bike. They're really good because they do free delivery on everything, and they do a price match on any other website. I think that's a deal they're running at the moment. So I don't see why you'd go anywhere else really. Thanks to you guys for hooking me up with a bike. It's sick. I haven't got dust caps. Oh no, wait, I lie. I got one on the front and one on the back.
What PSI do you ride?
Not very much. I don't even know because my gauge has been broken on my pump for like literally 3 years. So I just kind of, it's not that much to be honest. I think it's like 40 or 50, but I normally ride about 60. Yeah, that's my bike.